Civilian music.
My first video in a video series called Logic Bag of Tricks. My name is Paul DiFrancesco, and I'll be showing you how to, I guess, manipulate audio in Logic, as well as some MIDI tricks. Just an overall basic view of what you can do in this program. And the first trick I'm going to show you is how to get some loops on time, just so you can kind of stretch it and put it to a BPM and it sounds coherent and, you know, it doesn't sound offbeat and weird. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to the loop, obviously. It's just like some random jargon I made on my MPC, and there's some tails and stuff that just doesn't work. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, it's with this extra snare at the end and everything. So you're gonna want to cut it. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to the corner here. Actually, what I do is I hold the escape button, and that brings up all types of all your tools. So if you hold the escape button, it'll bring up all your tools for a second, and then you can go through them all and pick which one you want, 5, 6. So what I usually do is press escape 6 and my scissors come up. Or I press escape 1 and my mouse comes up. Whoa, just a crazy flash comes up. I press escape 6 and my glue comes up. So anyhow, escape 5, and there's where my scissors are. And I could cut up the audio, say where I want it there. I could trim it there, and I could trim it there. Then escape back to 1, and have my pointer tools, and I can just delete these objects here and pull it back, and it should start on the kick, right? Yeah. Right. It sounds like a pretty good loop. But anyhow, I can show you the other way to do it. It's basically, you can go to the sides over here and you'll get these little weird tabs with the little triangles. Basically, just pull back on your mouse and put it where you want it. And that will edit the sound. You even zoom in further. And just get really up to the sound. Get really close. I can even get further in. So you can even see the waveforms. Anyhow. 0 crossing points and stuff like that. But yeah, that looks like a pretty clean wave now that we have that. So yeah, that's how basically you could get your loop in time. Let's kind of count it and see what's going on here. 3, 4, you know, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And it stops on the 4. That's it. Like, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 4/4 beats, so it's got to stop on the 4. It's not gonna go any further. Now we have to get that the loop on the time of the grid, but I think I will explain that in my next video. So if you watch part 2 of this video, you will get to see how we can manipulate the loop so it will stay on time with the grid of the DAW that you're using. I'm using Apple Logic, and this has some great time stretch features that I'll be showing you. So stay tuned. Thank you, and you can check out my website at the link below at www.civilianmusic.com. Thanks.